Now coming again to the topic is real estate is a diversified sector and its growth contributes a lot to the overall growth of the country. Needless to mention, the growth constitutes of both, that is residential and commercial projects as well. Trust is not built up in a day or two. It takes years to incorporate into clients. And as all of us know that the thread can be broken in a fraction of a second, rather less than that. Building up trust in a client constitutes a major part of the customer relationship management. Now, if we come to CRM, we means developing an excellent relationship with the client that you step into his shoes and you think likewise. And the perception should be the same. Customer is the essence of business, so he has to be taken care of anyhow. The recent scandal, as you all know, that Noida extension scandal has shaken the trust of the investor in all the respects. So now is a high time to get into action as far as regaining of confidence is concerned. That's the topic is. Clear understanding should be created between the client and the builder, that is the seller in this particular case. For the simple reason being, until and unless a clear message is passed on to the client to avoid any ambiguity. The things should be crystal clear since inception only. Furthermore, I would like to mention this that promises should be realistic as far as possible so that no embarrassment is being faced later on. Secondly, gone are the days when publicity, used to be a versatile tool to attract the clients, attract the investors to your particular region. Nowadays, it's not the publicity which is fetching the clients, it's the word of mouth. If we are giving good services to our client, definitely the client will come with more references. That's the only thing we are looking at this point in time. Investor goes by the opinion which is given by his colleagues, friends, and so on and so forth. So now is the era of feedback basically. And the thing which matters the most is the same. So I would like to wind it up by saying that customer has to be satisfied and he'll be a representative of your organization in the market. So in any case, he has to be satisfied.